Hi, welcome to Alberta Laundry Systems. Today we will be demonstrating how to convert a Wascomat Crossover washer from coin operation to free, or in other words, how to make it charge zero money.
If you have received your crossover washer and it is programmed for coin, like so, and you wish to set it to free, here's the steps on how to do it. First, you're going to hit the service button located behind the front plate here. You'll know you're in service mode because it will ding and all the lights will come on flashing. To change the price of the programs, you're going to first hit cold, and it will display the price of the cold cycle. Now hit start, and you're able to edit the price. Cold is now responsible for a dollar value, so this would be in the tens. For example, hitting it once would make this $11. Hold it down until it zeroes out. This is responsible for the single dollars. This digit is responsible for this one, and this button is responsible for this one. So in order to zero this out, we would have to hold down this button until the display reads $0. Now hit start. Next you're going to go to warm, hit start, hit warm until it zeroes out, hit start, hot, start, delicates, start, now heavy soil and extra rinse will also be programmed to be extra, so you would hit them. In this case ours is set for $3. Hit start, start again, extra rinse, start again. So now you can cycle through and see that all of them are set to 0. Simply hit the black switch again. You're now in regular mode. So now you can hit warm, heavy soil, extra rinse, remains at $0, hit start, and you're on your way.